Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to make Instagram account private. If you only want to approve certain followers to gain access to your profile on Instagram, or if you want to control your visibility to the public, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. By default, anyone will be able to view your profile and post on Instagram. You can make your account private so that only followers you approve will be able to see what you share on Instagram. In order to do so, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner, which will bring out an expanded menu at the bottom of the screen. Tap Settings from the menu and then go to Privacy from the Settings menu. At the very top, under Account Privacy, you'll be able to see Private Account button. Toggle on the button right next to Private Account. And now it says that if you switch your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos that you post, and this won't change who can tag, mention, or message you on Instagram. Tap on Switch to Private to confirm your selection. To start making changes to who can see your photos and stories on Instagram, tap on Review Followers. Now go remove any followers that you don't want to access to your photos or videos that you post on Instagram. Tap on the Remove button in order to remove the contact. From the pop-up, select Remove, and that way you'll also be able to remove the person you don't want to share your contents with. That is how it is done. Once you make your account private, people will have to send you a follow request to see your posts, your followers list, or your following list. You can then approve or ignore them according to your choice. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.